Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my lovely student. I am Miss Yasmin, and today I will explain to you how to practice for the practical quiz for grade 3. I prepared this quiz for you. I will give you this paper in the school. It has 11 steps, so you have to follow these steps to do the quiz well. So I will start with you step by step. Open Scratch. To open Scratch, if you download it in your computer or in your iPad, this will be easy. Just you will go to the search, click on the search, type SC to open it. Then click on the Scratch. It will be so easy to open it. But if you didn't download it, it's okay. You have another way to practice. So you have to click in the Google, then write Scratch 3 in the bar. Then you can click the first one, this Scratch, and then you have to click Create. And the Scratch will be ready to practice. Okay, this is the way to open Scratch if you don't have it in your computer. Okay, now we will go back to the Scratch. We will see the paper. They said in the paper, the next step, add another sprite. You know the sprite. Our sprite is a cat. So I will bring another cat, but you are free. You can choose any sprite you like it. I will complete with the cat. So I will click here to bring another sprite. You see here you have a different kind of sprite. You can choose whatever you want. Now I will write in the search cat. Then I will pick this cat. Now I have two cats here, okay, but I want these two cats look at each other to speak. So I have to change the direction for this one to look to his friend. So I will go to the direction here down, click on the direction, change the direction like that, then flip the cat like this, okay, by clicking in this area. Okay, now I change the direction perfectly. I want this sprite to be small. It will be the sun, and this one will be the feather. So how can I change the size to make it smaller? I will go to the size here. I will click here and change the number to 70 or 5070. It's enough. Then click enter. Now this one small, the other one big. After that, you will go to the backdrop from here to change any backdrop you like it. For example, I will go to the sports, then I will bring this background, then I will start our story. Okay, if you want to start the story, you have to start with events to start the game or the story. I will bring the green flag for the sun and green flag for the feather. You have to be sure you are work with both of characters you have it. Okay? Now, the sun, he will start talk. He will say hello. So we will go to the locks blocks and we will bring this block, drag it to here, make it as a bezel, okay, then right here, keep it here hello for just 1 second. We will try now. The sun, he said hello, okay. Now the father, he have to replay, so I have to click here sprite 1 and the father to let him replay, but they have to say hello in the same time? No. The father have to wait 1 second before he say hello. So I will let them wait. I will go to the control blocks. Then I will bring wait block from here, put it. Then I will go to the locks. I will let them say hello for 1 second. So we will try now. Click the green flag. The son say hello, the father wait and say hello. Until now, we doing well. So we will let the son complete. He will ask his father to play, but before he asking, he have to wait. So we will go to the control and bring the block wait. But what do you think? He will wait for how many seconds? Excellent, 2 seconds. Okay, then why 2 seconds? Because here he wait for 1 second, the other one he have to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, now he will say, he will go to the, you have to go to the looks and bring say. He will say now, daddy, can you play football with me? Okay, you can drag all the blocks here to see. I will keep it 2 seconds because the sentences is so tall. You can put question mark in the end. Okay, now here the son wait 2 seconds and ask his father to play with him. The father have to answer him. So we will click on the father, the sprite one, and we will let them wait for how many? Yes, 3 seconds. Okay, now I will change this one to 3. Then we will go to the locks. We will bring this block and let the father play. Okay, let's play. Okay, but here no need to make it 2 seconds because this sentence is so small. Now the son, he will be happy and say yeah. He will wait the son 4 seconds. Wait 4 seconds. Then he will say yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, we will try, but this one small, so we will put it 1 second. Okay. Now we will make this page bigger from where? From here. Then we will click the green flag to make the conversation. Hello, hello. Daddy, can you play football with me? Okay, let's play. This is a perfect way, okay? Yeah, thank you. The sun late a little bit, but it's okay. Now, if you do it like this, you will be perfect and you will take a full mark. Good luck for you. Waiting to see you in the exam. Bye bye.